Hello, wonderful friends. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Hakeem, which means the all-wise. Isn't that amazing? So, what does it mean to be wise? Being wise means making the best choices and knowing what's right, even when things seem confusing. Allah is Al-Hakeem, which means He is the wisest of all. He knows everything and always does what is best for us, even if we don't understand it right away. Let me tell you a little story to help you understand. Imagine a kind and wise teacher who tells her students they need to practice their letters every day. Some children might think it's boring or wonder why they have to do it. But the wise teacher knows that practicing will help them read wonderful books and write beautiful stories when they grow up. She sees the bigger picture that the children can't see yet. That's what wisdom is. Allah is like that, but even wiser. Sometimes things happen that we don't understand. Maybe it rains on the day we wanted to play outside, or we have to wait for something we really want. But Allah, Al-Hakeem, knows what's best for us. He sees everything, the past, the present, and the future. He makes everything happen for a good reason, even if we can't see it right away. So remember, dear friends, whenever something happens that you don't understand, trust in Allah Al-Hakeem. He is always taking care of you with His perfect wisdom. Thank you for learning with me today.